Hello, good morning. Now this is Tuesday, and what we saw yesterday was a good attempt again to go towards 11,000. So today, what should be the queue again, which we should be looking towards? Global queues are very much neutral again. Asian markets are trading sideways. European futures are trading sideways. And when you look in terms of Dow futures, those actually are down roughly 80 to 100 points. So 0.3 0.4% cut is there. Now that actually gives us a mild negative queue for the start here. Now, in terms of metals, those actually have seen a sell-off, almost 2% selling again was being seen in copper, zinc, aluminium. Again, that actually gives a starting negative Q for the metal stocks there. So, there could be some selling which could be coming our way again for Vedanta, Hindalco, Nalco, Hindustan Zinc again. So, watch out for that part of the market here. Now, in terms of oil prices, again, you actually have seen a mild pullback in the oil prices, but still, there is no major sort of conviction trade again which can be done at present in OMCs here. Paint stocks will be different primarily because Asian Paint results are today, and there was actually a long build-up which was happening in Asian Paint. So mild long build-up there, mild pullback in oil price, that gives us a good sort of setup for going long in terms of Asian Paints here. Kansai, Nerolac were also seeing again good accumulation yesterday. So paint stocks could be trading higher in the first half again, and then after the results I think we are going to see how actually they shape up here. From there, in terms of bond yields again, as what I'm looking at my data here, the bond yield is very much neutral. US markets were shut, so hardly any cues there. On a currency front, largely neutral again. No major directional move is coming in the Asian currencies here, but still again, mild sort of weakness in Indian rupee could be expected, but largely neutral again as a setup here. From a FI front again, mild positive setup because they've added long positions in both Nifty futures and Nifty options here. So again, that gives you still a sort of good positive setup that perhaps we are actually trading in a range almost 10,800 to 11,200, and that's the important part. The range is now expanding from 11,000 to 11,200. So again, that still is a positive outlook again as you look ahead here. From an option front again, no major sort of future commitment here. So open interest actually was being booked as actually you close the day. Through the day, you were actually trading with 5 to 6% addition Nifty futures open interest, but as you close the day again, no major commitment. But when I look at the options, large addition is happening in calls, large addition is happening in puts. In fact, a lot of written call positions are being unwound here, and that in very simple sense, if I don't use jargon here, in very simple sense, it tells us traders actually are building positions for 10,800 to 11,200 range. So any dip towards 10,910 on an intraday basis is a buy. If you're not able to sustain, if you start trading below 900, then no need again to keep momentum long positions open, because 840 is a support, and there again it will become a buy here. So on a positional basis, it's a buy structure. Again, that's how Nifty is trading. Bank Nifty at present, now in terms of Qs, if you look at the Qs, you have long build up in Kotak Bank, you have long build up in HDFC Bank. So again, these two banks actually are worth looking at, and Bank Nifty broadly is trading in the range of 27,200 to 27,750. And whenever we actually start trading above 540, then again 100 to 150 points rally opportunity is going to open up here. So positive bias, but if you get a dip of 100 points around 450, it becomes a much safer sort of momentum long buy for the day here. So that's Bank Nifty for you. Nifty also, both are buy on dips. Let the slight dip come by, and then again becomes a good buy. In terms of stocks watching out again, which could be worth watching out today, and those could be Sequent Scientific again. Some good long positions yesterday and over the last 10 sessions I've highlighted again in my investor groups is that Sequent Scientific is making definitely some moves here. Also in terms of product prices, those have inched higher. So again, look for Sequent Scientific, positive momentum. Kotak Bank have told about long build up. IGL, Indraprastha Gas, long build up happening in that counter. Watch out for that. Then you have UBL, United Breweries, strong open interest build up in Monday's trade. So again, that's another long build up there. Balaji Amines from the Ameen pack, there's a good long build up happening there. And lastly, Asian Paints again we've talked about. There's a good long build up happening there. So all these stocks have positive momentum, broadly markets as we've talked about. So that's the trade setup for the day. Have a good trading day.